Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, August 2 to 4, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. The southwest monsoon is still affecting most parts of the Philippine Islands because of the active monsoon trough, wherein a number of low pressure areas or multiple low pressure areas are embedded within this monsoon trough. We have here one that is becoming active, 98W, which is moving northwest towards the sea east of Japan, and we have here another one, 99W, a shallow one here to the north of Yap. They are all outside of par, and another one here northeast of Taiwan, and we got another LPA approaching southern Honshu, 96W. It's already been downgraded into a low probability of becoming a tropical cyclone because of the decreasing cloudiness. We have here two shallow LPAs, which we mentioned earlier, to the north of Yap, and another one near Hainan, over the western sections of Guangdong, China. This one and this one, 97W, will be closely observed for possible development into our next tropical cyclone, as well as this other one. So it depends on the development of these two. If one of these develops into a tropical cyclone, the southwest monsoon will extend again back to the western sections of southern Luzon, including Metro Manila. The heavy rains, or the intense rainfall, as well as Mimaropa and western Visayas. Right now, the intense or the more frequent rainfall generated by this monsoon is located along the western sections, or affecting the western sections of Ilocos region, extreme northern Luzon, including northern Cagayan, Batanes, and Babuing Cubaba Islands. So much of the cumulonimbus or the thunderstorm clouds generated by this ongoing southwest monsoon are located along the extreme northern parts of Luzon, including Ilocos region and Batanes, while over the western sections of the rest of the western sections of Luzon, including Metro Manila, Bicol region, Visayas, Mimaropa, western Mindanao, and southern Mindanao, the monsoon here is not intense. It's more of a mild one, but still along the western sections expect some passing showers or isolated thunderstorms, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain windy, partly sunny to cloudy skies with low chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Okay, so these are the 6 LPAs still enhancing the monsoon together, as it is embedded within the active monsoon trough. Okay, so watch out for possible flash floods and landslides, just in case a strong or severe thunderstorms within the monsoon passes over your area. Okay, here's the latest zoom in satellite animation. So you can see here how busy the western Pacific and the northern part of the South China Sea is right now. But good thing these are on a shared mode. It means the resources of moisture across the western Pacific are being shared by these multiple LPAs. So once one or two develop into a tropical cyclone, it will not intensify into a super typhoon. It might only reach severe tropical storm status, or even category 1 typhoon, or we are going to observe that in the coming days, so watch out for that. And here's the zoom in satellite animation. As I explained earlier in our previous slide, the southwest monsoon is more frequent along the western sections of Ilocos region, this one, and the extreme northern parts of Luzon, including northern Cagayan. But good weather and some passing showers will still be expected over the Metro Manila area, southern Tagalog provinces, and Mindoro, Occidental Mindoro, and Palawan, while the rest will have good weather and wind conditions of up to 60 kph in gustiness. And the coastal areas and the seas around these areas will be moderate to rough and dangerous to small sea crafts. Now here's the 3-day rainfall accumulation from windy.com, courtesy of ECMWF. For the next 3 days, expect rainfall generated by the monsoon to still prevail across the western sections of northern and central Luzon, and it will extend down south over Metro Manila, Occidental Mindoro, and Western Visayas within the next 3 days, depending on the development of that shallow low pressure area over southern China and the one to the northeast of Taiwan, which is quasi-stationary as of this time. And if we look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days, it remains the same. The southwest monsoon will continue until Wednesday. And here's the 2 LPAs which we are watching. The computer models, like the European model, is forecasting the one over Hainan or southern China that is expected to develop into a tropical cyclone, while the American model, it's more of the one to the east of or northeast of Taiwan that could develop into a tropical cyclone beginning tomorrow or Wednesday. So still the computer models, these 2 reliable ones, are not agreeing to each other. So it might be just be a low pressure area moving to the north of the Philippine Islands. So we are keeping an eye on those 2 systems. Okay. And while the other one to the northeast of Guam is likely to develop based on these 2 computer models, they all agree. So except for these 2 ones over southern China. So there you go. That's the latest for today, Monday until Wednesday. So those living in the western sections of Luzon and Visayas must always bring your rain gear for possible passing rain showers or thunderstorms generated by this ongoing southwest monsoon. So we'll be back again on Wednesday from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.